So guys, Clout Africa, yesterday being the 30th of June 2023, hosted a couple of ex-housemates. As you can see, Chichi, Groovy, Yemi Craig somewhere in the court, Kanaga Jr., and of course also had a couple of social media influencers. That's Tacha working. So guys, here we have the likes of Tacha, Groovy, Saga, Chichi, and Elo Swag. So here we have Chichi doing red carpet interview, or rather white carpet interview. Chichi looks so gorgeous. And here is how Chichi arrived, looking like a boss babe. I love everything about this video. Her hot legs. Why was she being like held like that?
Hey you guys, wow. Outside with Groovy, they've got this word. I'm like, okay, so I finally met this hot boy, this hot stuff. Am I hot? You see, too hot people. Too hot people, too hot flames. What? I love it, you're amazing. Do you have any of your
house, let me hear you say,
Bend them.
It's how everybody is saying groovy, groovy for me. Hot cake groovy. If you know, you know.
can I hear some noise for a hand of one?
Hold on, give me first scan. What you saying?
Wahala, wahala.
Saga
If this is your winner, let me hear you say yes. Wait.
Yeah,
If they're in the front, don't shout.
What's up?
I need people from the back.
Why they
Are
brush
you guys scared? If this is your winner, let me hear you say yes.
So here we have Elo Swag dancing. I think he should focus on this aspect of his life. Elo Swag sure knows how to dance.
23, 24, I tell them before.
So finally we have Yemi Craig, Elo Swag, of course, Kanaga Jr. They had such an amazing time. And here we have Groovy Boy. This was after the BB Nigeria finale. This one no follow for this video. Waiting they play. I beg.